All right, let's go, baby.
Well, tomorrow's a big day. She gets her new paint job.
Yeah, now we could do a garage view.
Yeah.
Of all of it. We turned the garage into a spray booth. Mm-hmm. And this is all we got to try to control this scenario the best way we possibly can so that we don't get dirt on it. I mean, even pro shops, you're still going to get stuff. I mean, it's just, but Ray says the floor is probably cleaner than a paint booth in a shop because we scrubbed it and we scrubbed it.
Yeah, we did. We cleaned it and sweeped it and cleaned it and vacuumed it.
Oh, we even did the ceiling. We actually took a shop vac and sucked all the dirt and cobwebs and anything in here so nothing falls on it.
Right.
And then we spent, how many hours? We finished dinner at like 5. Yeah. I don't even know what time it is now. It's
10 after 10.
Yeah.
And she's ready to go.
The only thing we didn't do is close the door because then we can't open it again.
Open it. Just in case.
I'm leaving it open. I'm leaving it open just in case Ray wants to move it a little bit forward or backwards. So,
yeah.
But we masked.
Look in there.
Yeah, we did all the masking.
Yeah.
It's dark to look in there, but
yeah,
you get the sense of it. We at least taped it as professional as we possibly can, and even though it's ugly. It's really, the tape job doesn't look like pro level. We have cardboard and newspaper, but it doesn't really matter. The bottom line is how well you masked and that you don't have any overspray on any of it.
Right.
You know, we're going to try our darndest.
I don't want to have to clean that off later.
Well, that's the thing. If you get some on it and that clear coat, once it's on, it's hard to take off. It's not like primer where we could have used, we could use lacquer thinner to take it off. That was some of it, but
yeah.
I don't know. The roof is still a toss-up.
Yeah.
We'll know tomorrow, but
we will.
That's the thing. We can show you the car and it'll look absolutely minty from far away.
Right.
But, you start getting up close and you start seeing things that you just can't,
Tomorrow.
It's looking good. It's looking good for tomorrow.
It is.
Yeah, well, that's that, Gail.
All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yep, we're painting tomorrow.
You want something to stand on? No. We're good like that. All right.
Yeah, I'll be just long enough to reach the middle.
All right. I gotta say, it was pretty neat watching her transform from old to new.
Quick run them into the house. Where do you run to with those?
Thank you.
All right. We'll see how long that is before it rusts out. All right, Ray, let me get your hose ready for you. All right, I was going to say, come with me, all right. I'll keep twisting it. I'm going to be manning the hose here for the man.
This is the last coat. Well, it sure was an exciting day here at the Watches and Wheels Hyundai Restoration Garage. After many weeks of dismantling, cleaning, scrubbing, junkyard running, Brian doing all the body work, primering and sanding, the day finally came and Tina got her paint job. Man, she's looking pretty. I am thrilled with how she looks. Brian, not so much. He's disappointed, but I think he'll come around when she's all back together.